Hey, this is a knee flexion mobilization. So this is one you can use in the moment if you're feeling that your knee isn't bending the way you want. Often this can present as some kind of joint line tenderness or stiffness as you go to bend the knee. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop the knee up on a chair or a bench, something at about 90 degrees here. And we're gonna take our hands on the lower leg. So when the knee bends, the lower leg rotates a little bit inward. And so we're gonna use our hands and kind of do this type of motion to the lower leg as we bend here. So I'm starting, you shouldn't feel any tension. So if you're already feeling some discomfort, stiffness here, you'll scoot back. I'm gonna take my hands on the lower leg and I'm gonna rotate it inwards. Okay, so that's this motion, rotating inwards. That should be pain-free. There's not a lot of motion. It's like a half a centimeter maybe, but we're getting that lower leg moving. And then I'm gonna rock in and out through the range that you have. What you should hopefully feel is that you can move a little further with this self-mobilization. So what we're doing here is getting the tibia, the lower leg, rotating inward. As the knee bends, that motion kind of has to happen. It's just how the architecture of the bones and the joint is. We have a little rotation or spinning of the lower leg as the knee bends, okay? And you can see I'm kind of rocking in and out here. So rhythmic motion tends to be more comfortable for a joint that's irritated or a little bit stiff. You can pause at your end range and kind of oscillate there, but again, should be comfortable and then come on out. So the key is this rotational movement, and I'm not kind of jamming it super hard. It's nice and gentle, but I'm trying to get not just my calf, but that whole leg, the whole bone rotating a bit. So typically do this for 1 to 2 minutes and then kind of retest, see how your knee is bending. Hopefully it should be bending a little bit better. If this is painful, we're gonna try a different technique.